Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by today's thumbnail and title and by these pretty little French tip nails I have, today I'm going to be showing you this new French tip gel X nails that I found on Amazon. And I believe they were like maybe $10. I don't really know. I be getting my prices wrong. I get these like weeks before I film these videos, so I have no idea right now. But these are like a deep French gel nail, and I haven't seen any gel X dupe nails or gel French nails that are deep French. I usually see like a regular French, or like a little old school French if they're like super short nails, but these are a deep French and I got them in pink. I'm not really sure they have them in different shades, but these are really nice. So I'm going to get started with showing you guys these nails, and there's 150 that come in, so I believe that's about 5 or 6 sets that you can do with these nails, so that's pretty decent. And I will link these in the description because I know someone might ask me, so I'm going to leave them down there so no one has to ask me. But yeah, like I said, there's about, I'm trying to count. Yeah, there's about 5 sets that you can use in this whole kit. So I'm going to get started with sizing out all of my nails. So these nails are pretty sturdy. They're like really nice on just like fresh out the pack and me like testing the durability and like bending them and everything. The cuticle parts are very flexible and very, I don't want to keep saying flimsy, but they're very flexible and they're like a very flesh pink. So the gel was what I was able to see the gel through the nail. That's what I was trying to say. And the tips of the nails are very strong. Like they're sturdy. Okay. Like after I put these nails on, I was like, dang, if I didn't have to do a video, I would have definitely just kept them straight plain because they are so pretty. And the French is also nice. Like they come like matte, like the BTARTBOX nails. So that was pretty decent. And like I was trying to say, the French is not like a printed on look. So they could be glued on as well. But oh, right here, I'm just showing you guys that they're pretty matte in the inside. So I didn't have to like edge them. I started edging like 1 or 2 nails and then I realized, oh wait, they're actually matte on the inside. So I didn't show that part in the video, but I was just showing you guys that they are matte on the inside. And yeah, I'm going to actually just start putting them on my nails. So to adhere these nails, I'm going to be taking my Alchem, I think that's how you say it, Alchem gel adhesive gel. And I'm just going to use that because that was the closest thing to me. And I was pulling these nails off right after. So sometimes I like to use a gel glue that's not my fave, and honestly this is not my favorite, but I still have it because I paid for it, so I'm going to use it. So that's what I was using in this video. It's not that bad. I just personally like a little thicker gel glues in my opinion, but yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Like I said, when I was putting the nails on, I was able to see the glue through the nail, so that was very nice. And they're like there's like a nice sheer pink, but not too sheer where it's like, you can't really see your nail, but it's like not too thick where it's like I can't see the glue at all. So I really like that. And like I said, I just love that it's deep French and not like a regular French. I don't know what it is. If you guys know any other like pre-made French nails that are like deep French, let me know. Maybe I'm just crazy, but these are the first ones that I've seen. So I don't know, but yeah. And what's it called? The shapes of the nail and everything, they're very nice. I think these are coffin, if I'm not mistaken, or they're like a sculptured square. I have no idea off the top of my head. And I'm not gonna go back to the beginning of the video either. I'll just have them linked in the description, like I said. But yeah, we're just gonna continue on with the video. So after all the nails are on, I'm going to take this extra long 4 or 5-in-1 drill bit, and I'm just going to clean up all that excess glue off around my cuticles. And I noticed while I was shaving around my cuticles, like going over the little bit of white, it took off a little bit, but not like anything like crazy. So I mean, I could have went over this with, like, a hand file, but I didn't want to do that. So yeah, I'm just taking this drill bit and I'm going over this, but I'm also going to take my hand file to like reshape the nails a little bit and, you know, buff the cuticle and do all that good stuff before I get into the design. So yeah, just continue to watch, please. So after my nails are all buffed and filed and whatnot, I'm taking this blue from D&D, and this is what I'm using for my nail art for today's video. And I got this picture off of, not picture, well, it was a picture. I got this idea off of Pinterest. So it's just like a little baby blue nail set with some blooming art and outlining of the French and everything. And like I said, I would have worn these if I wasn't doing a video. And after I did this, I was like, dang, I should have did both hands, but I didn't feel like doing that. So I did not, but I should have. I really like the way this design turned out overall, and it's really pretty in my opinion. But I'm taking this long liner brush on with the blue that I showed you, and I'm just outlining the French on my thumb, and I believe I did it on my thumb and my pinky. And then yeah, I'm just outlining my thumb and my pinky. That's what I did. Yep, trying to remember. So I'm taking that same liner brush and this blue, and I'm doing like a hibiscus, or like, I guess it's like a 90s theme a little bit. I don't know, but it's like the same outlining and dot sort of theme that you do when you do hibiscus flowers, because I'm also doing hibiscus flowers. So that's really what I'm doing here, just outlining and dotting like little spots that I want to outline and dot. And I'm using the blue for all of this right now, and then I'm going to go into my white designs after I'm done with my blue. So while I'm still on this blue, I'm actually going to take this blooming gel from Beetles first, and I'm putting that on my pointer and my ring finger for the blooming art design. I probably should have did one finger at a time because it bloomed more than I thought it was going to, but it is what it is, you know. So I'm taking that and then a dotting tool, and you know how blooming gel works. You know, you don't cure first. So I'm going to dot my dotting tool into my blue, and then I'm going to do like it's like an outline of circles. I did dots around the white to make it bloom. I don't know how to explain it, man. Just watch the video, please. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I just try to do like blue outline on the white with the dotting tool. I don't know how to explain it. Just you see what I'm doing, you know? So after I did my blooming gel, or I did cure it, so it went and bloom some more. And now I'm taking this white from Kier Sky, their pod, gel pot, whatever you say, collection, and it's the white one. That's it. And I'm taking that same dotting tool and I'm dotting on that outline nail that I did, my middle finger, and just making like little pops of white somewhere else besides the French tip. And for my pointer and ring finger, I'm going to be doing my hibiscus flowers on these. I did have another video that I'll link in the cards with me doing a whole hibiscus nail set because this one is not my best work. They're lacking a little bit. Okay, they're slacking, they're lagging, they're just not it. But you get the idea. So I'm just gonna go through this process, and you can watch the way I'm doing it and do it better than me. Okay. So before I cure my nails, I'm actually going to take these blue gems, and I'm using this little rhinestone glue that I got from Shein. It's not my favorite, but I wanted to use it because it was right there and I just needed a little dot. But I'm going to use this on my thumb and my pinky nail. I'm just doing two little gems in like the very center bottom of my nails just to add a little sparkle because I don't really add gems on a lot of my nails. So yeah, I'm doing that, and then afterwards I'm going in with some top coat, and that's really about it. That is really all I did, honestly. And I used the top coat from Temu, the red one. It's not really my favorite actually. I think I used it in another video, like maybe like 2 or 3 videos actually. And I noticed that it chips a lot, but that is the top coat that I used in this video. It's the first one that's like right next to me while I record, so I just used that and cured it for 60 seconds. And yeah. So these are what my nails look like when they're all done. And like I said, I really like them. I really like these nails as well. They're not like too long, but they're not like super short either. I would say they're maybe like a medium long. But I really like that they're deep French, like I said. And the only thing I don't really like about these nails is they're not like super straight. Like I'm showing you guys right here, they have like a curve to them. And I mean, if you like that, then you like that. That's just the one thing I noticed that I didn't really like. But other than that, it doesn't really bother me. So I don't know. But I do like these nails. I would get them. I would recommend them. Love them. The tips, like I said, are super sturdy. Like I was banging them things on my desk and they were not budging. Okay. The cuticle parts are really nice. Like that gel is getting cured onto those nails. Okay. So I will recommend. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe. If you like this nail design, make sure you give the video a thumbs up for that too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.